Sun finally came out. I've always liked this tree.
Lilac?
Yeah.
And you remember where that was, don't you? That was over in front of that window.
Yeah, I remember that.
And I dug it out as best I could and hauled it out with the truck.
Yeah, I remember that.
I lost part of it, but...
It's funny how reclaimed that picnic table is now.
Yeah. Yeah, a little fixing up and it might be alright.
Yeah, you know, I think it just needs a couple nails. It'll be fine.
A couple of wood propping it up a little bit.
Yeah, that's all it needs.
Kind of wet. There it goes. Probably full of the cellar bugs.
Alright, that's all right.
Why do you want that big one split anyway?
Huh?
Burn it.
Well...
Burn it. Let it dry for the next 2 years.
Huh? But what?
Let it dry for the next 2 years and be ready to burn.
That'll be... Listen, if I laid that over here in the sun, that would be dried out in a week and a half.
That's how you do it.
As long as I can get to the stove. It's all nuts. Great big one there.
Hey, what's up guys? So me and my mom are going for a walk down the road. Say hi, Mama. Say hi. She doesn't like it. But yeah, we're just going to go for a walk and she's going to take some pictures. I was playing around with her camera a bit and I was thinking about getting a new one. But I don't think that I would want something that big. It's a nice camera for sure, but it'd be kind of heavy and I wouldn't be able to do this. Anyway, it's a little windy. I'm gonna go. So this is kind of strange. We are in Nova Scotia and these blueberries are already starting to flower. That's really strange because it's only the beginning of June. Just going for a walk back to this pond that's back on this property on my parents' road, and I've actually never been back to the pond. I didn't even know there was a pond back here as much as I've explored all of this area. No ducks.
No. Normally they're in here.
Yeah, this would be a nice little plot of land. Like it could be a nice long driveway. guys, so I'm back, and we went for a walk. I don't know, just kind of a really random video today, just kind of doing a little vloggy stuff and chit-chatting, hanging out with my parents. It's laundry day, so I guess if there's any point to this video, it's that you can make laundry day fun. Yay! So Jamie's at work, and I've got like a spider web or something on me. Jesus. Alright, yeah, seriously got this spider web on me. Hold on. Okay, so that probably looked hilarious, but it was driving me absolutely nuts, so I had to fix that. But yeah, as I was saying, yeah, it was just laundry day, so I decided to make it fun, go for a walk, explore a new little spot that was just down the road that I never knew was there, and just kind of, you know, take some pictures and walk around, chat with my mom, and yeah, like I say, the point is to just make every day feel important, or make every day just casual and fun. So hope that you guys can do that today, even if it's your laundry day or whatever it is that you have going on. Maybe it's work, but yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you next time. Bye.